Hey guys, so yesterday I changed out the wiper motor and linkage on a Nissan Rogue 2010. Didn't see any other videos that were showing the complete replacement, so I wanted to create this video and show you what I did. So excuse all the camera movement, but this is essentially the wiper motor and linkage that came out. I'll get back to that real quick. So before you change out the wiper, motor, and linkage, you want to change or check your fuse. So pop into here and check out your fuse. It would be either the 10 amp electrical parts fuse or the other 10 amp electrical parts fuse, and possibly any others that could relate to the wipers. Also, you want to check your engine wiper fuse. There's a 30 amp fuse sitting in this electrical, or sitting in this fuse panel. To get to that, you need to undo the clips here. You need to hold them with your finger, jiggle this whole air intake piece, and it'll come loose. And then there'll be 3 plastic clips that you have to undo. So you put a flathead screwdriver in here, pop this up. This comes off, this one comes off, and that one comes off. That one's still loose. I got to replace that. So this whole assembly then comes loose, and you can get to your engine fuses. And that's how you check the 30 amp fuse that is related to the wiper motor. So as long as the fuses are good, then you definitely need to replace that motor linkage setup that I showed you. And the way you do that is you got to take off this entire plastic unit. So there's going to be all these plastic clips. There's going to be one here, another one there, and you can see where we got zap straps. Those ones as well, we got to replace those with new ones because they broke. And then it's actually just something that just slides right out, and you might have a little bit of trouble getting this loose, but this just pops out this way and then it comes out. Just be very careful so you don't crack or break that. And then it can rest actually just on top of the battery cover. It doesn't need to come right off and out. And then what you want to do is pop open these covers on your wiper blades, and there's going to be a nut. You undo the nut, and this whole wiper arm is going to come off. If it doesn't come off easy, that's because it's probably rusted on there. So you want a WD-40 and then give it some taps, and it should come off. And there'll be another one there for the other wiper arm. So now you've got the plastic shroud off, you've got the wipers off. You're going to see that linkage and motor mechanism, just like as it is here, sitting there bolted in. There's only three bolts. There's one there, and there's one up here. That's it. And the way it comes out and it comes in is exactly how it's laid out here. It's a little bit tricky, but you essentially just finesse it out, and then you put in the new one without breaking your windshield or tapping anything else. You screw it in, and you reconnect the plug here, and then you're all done. So I hope that helps. That is for the Nissan Rogue 2010. In the description, I'll also put in the other models that this relates to.